I've got one really good cigarette, and I thought I'm going to enjoy it. So, I don't know. So, I got a new car and I forgot to buy data. And it's quite amazing, like how much smaller a video is if it just looks at black. Um, so, I was driving to my job, and this thing blew a bloody water pipe at the bottom, and it like went hot, but I stopped. It's like fast. It was making this clack, 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 clack. And the next moment it's just steam everywhere. So it blew a head gasket. Then I know this old toppy, old man, and he knows a lot. He's a mechanical engineer or something. And he knows a lot about engines. So he told me like what must happen. So you have to take the head off and have the head skimmed and the valves grinded and the head line board and the crankshaft, not the crankshaft, the camshaft grinded. And this other guy called Vusi, he helped me, and I took it all off and put it all back, but it's so much better. It's like a whole different car, just because it like was done well. And it happened in days. Like some of the engineering places gave it like whatever they had to do is the same day. So a while back, I got two of these little golf things. We call it the auto caddy. And there's this thing you put your golf bag in and it follows you around. So I got the basis of it. So I don't know, it just looked interesting. And so, and I love doing it. I don't know about archetypes and psychology and whatnot. I like to express myself and let my head go, you know. So I'm eating kid sweets. I have to stop stuffing my face. So in any case, I wanted to. So I'm building like a little electric cart, and that's my supercar. I'm gonna put it all the bling and already fitted with a little electrical motor, but it's like super slow. Like it goes at a fast walking pace about, and that's cool with me. Can take me to the shop and back. So So a while back, I was reading about this lady that, I don't know, like when the hell ever that was in America, uh, something Dunham or whatever, and she was abducted by Indians, and I think the Indians was basically just like a proxy for the French. And she claimed that they killed her baby on a tree. And it was probably because of the hard travel. But what I find about it is like the aftermath of it, like, I mean, most of it is basically fighting with the government, because they halved the amount of bounty you get for an Indian scalp. So I think she had lots of time. She had like lang amounts of time to premeditate and like kill a lot of people without nobody noticing. I think there was people that escaped. Because it was a lot of money. And today's like money, it's a lot of money. Any case. First. I wish I can quit smoking. I don't smoke a lot, but like this is so nice. It's oh, they're like probably shooting at each other or something. Okay, I'm gonna go.